Hey, it's Bike Brussels 2025, and there is always one company which has something new and interesting and ecological and great value, and it always stands out more than all the other stands. This one is called Jabiru, and this is a trailer that you attach to the back of your bike, which has the built-in tent for you to sleep in. So basically a camping tent that's lightweight. So the trailer, I'll show you in a second, it's made out of an aluminium frame. The trailer is empty, and this part of the tent is in the top of the trailer. So you can fit two people in here to sleep. And what's really going to blow you away, it's 30 euros a night to rent. So that is a bargain price. You could have a holiday for 5 nights, a cycling holiday in a tent for 150 euros, basically. Or you can buy the whole product for 3,200. So yeah, it's made in Austria, and it's called B Turtle is actually the manufacturer, and then it's licensed in Belgium through this company called Jabiru. I'm going to put the link in the description below so you can get in touch with them if you want any more information. Let's just look at the trailer itself. So you can see the trailer behind me. That's actually empty. Everything we just saw, the tent is in this top part above, and it weighs less than 30 kilos. I think it's 29 kilograms. And lastly, you can see the trailer underneath here. So you'd sleep on the top with the tent above it, and then you have these little feet stands underneath to keep it stable. So I hope that's been interesting. I think that's a great price, good for the environment as well. Any more info, check it out, the link below, and like and subscribe for more information from this year's Bike Brussels. Thanks.